Hello, back with Sky Factory. Today we're going to be making, let's get into the right one. I made some the dark armor. I got the jetpack. I know this one here you can, I think, glide. There's chest piece. Yeah, I think it's the glider. I'm just going to keep the jetpack that I made. So need to start making. Need to make enchantment table. That would be this guy right here. One book and then we need to make, I believe, the anvil. Ain't nothing easy to find. At least I can't find any damn thing. Dark steel anvil. So we know what the worm was. Ooh. I ain't made no, still I didn't think I had, or I made dark steel, I didn't think I had enough. Alright. So I'm not going to get real close to it, but I am going to put it down here somewhere. Alright. Let's get myself, well, I gave myself all of it. Hopefully I have enough to do this with. Alright, so let's see. What we need to put in there. So we need to put in a. With a night vision, solar panel, sound locator, powered. So we just need to. Let me see what this one says. Fabric crystal. Alright, let's run over here to the table and see what we got. So I'm assuming all three of them is going to need fabric crystal. So we need at least three of them. Let's see how much it's going to cost. So I think we put in the anvil. Put the boots in. That's not bad. I don't think we can put another one in, can we? It's the opposite of what I had. And then the helmet. All right, so we got the power crystals put in. A basic capacitor. There's the basic. We got 18 of them. Let's see. What else we got? Double layer. Alright, so let's pull them all out. Let's go back. Double layer. Now I'm assuming that would be this. A little expensive area. So not worried about sound locator. Not really worried about night vision. Solar, I think we're gonna need. Solar would be nice for charging up. Maybe it might charge up jetpack. At least if we keep the armor charged. I keep getting it wrong. I think I can turn these around or something, so I don't need to go into the main grid, or at least switch them two around. All right, so it says solar panel one. It says regular solar panel. So potion of night vision plus 4 lives. So let's see. I guess that would be the first one. Right, let's see what goes on there. I don't know if you have to upgrade them single. Alright, that costs 4. Whoop. Let's go to this one. Snow on them. And what am I missing? Okay, it's glowstone and quartz. And quartz. And let's see what this costs. $8. Get low on I might have to change the blades around. Or they have no spikes. Put them all diamond. Oops, so we don't have a soul banner. And that's gonna take the soul of an enderman. That's gonna be a little tough right there. Well, we already have that. Let's get charged up. Let's just at least see how much armor we have. Alright, we got 5. We have all our armor. So, look pretty cool with that solar panel on top. So that's cool. That's charging it up. So let's make a soul binder. See, I need an enderman head. Do I have any? Wait, but I do got some down here. Well, maybe one or two. I think that's it right there. Yep, I definitely need to move these around. Alright, so let's see, soul binder. Oh, not even looking, these zombie head too. A zombie and what, a creeper? Zombie creeper and a skeleton. Should have all that. So need one of these, one of these, one of these. Ooh, let's make it a lot faster. Then one soul binder. What was the other one? Hey, should look ahead of time. Somebody has something in my inventory. Nice. So it didn't really say what I needed, but now to start looking this shit up and put that there, and I'll put ooh, that one there. So now I need to pair it up. What am I looking for? I got a bottle of enchantment I got out of the thing. Be a whole lot, but yeah, we need conduit. I couldn't think of it. We're gonna need 2 pieces. Let's get the pair. Let's just put one in this guy, one in this guy. And now we'll need what's that one? This one. We need one of these. We need one of these. Alright, so now we need an empty soul bottle. Because that's what it's called. Let's see if we can chop some up here a little bit. Let's see if we can see an Enderman. Shot me. I'm not seeing one. Brick. Alright, so I'm going to pause this and I'm going to fool around here, put it back in, and hopefully they get an Enderman. I'll be right back. Again, back. Luckily, the one just flew out here. Put my roof back. That was luck. I guess because I stared at him in there and he came out. That's cool. Okay, so let's see where we need to be with this. So we need. Let's find out where you are. This one. Yeah. There we go. So we're going to take these two, put this in here, this in here. So we need 3 of these. You're clicking the wrong one. What was that lacking in the center? Oh, that's that glowstone and nether quartz. Just make 20 of them. We might need them for something else. Alright, let's see what we got now. Oh, need one more? I guess we did need more. My cape moves off. Then we should be able to make it now. We're missing up in the center. Dark fuse. Hey, that was just ink sac and nether quartz. Strange recipe. Oh, you son of a bitch. I don't know what that was. Why'd you popping up there? I guess. And let's see if I have enough juice to make this one. That'll be in here. Let me get my helmet off. Cost 24. Let's see what we got in here. I think we'll have this enough to do his job. Let's see where we're at. This ain't too bad. At least we're charging up while we do things. Is that what charging? I don't see anything. So I think I'm gonna have to give up on items for a little bit. I need a belt. So we'll let this thing do its thing. It's working really well. I got 119 of the regular bags, uncommon bags, rare bags, and 6 of the epic loot bags. That's legendary. So I'm going to pause this till they're all dead. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just going to take up these diamond ones. And I had a belt missing right there. I fixed that one. It should be able to double the XP now. Diamond ones, and now let's see what happens. Might be a little too close. It's like 25 blocks. Let's see, pound it now. Look at all them. Up on the mini map. Let's go take a look. There we go. Doesn't seem to be giving me anything. He's just kind of laying around there or something. Maybe 16. That just jump up? Alright. That should give me plenty. Maybe some of the monsters don't give XP. I don't think they all would, but no, that there you just get regular items that they drop like bones or something like that. So let's take a look and see. Let's see. Solar powered. We got the empowered. So we got all of our armor down there. Sound locator, night vision. Not really worried about the night vision because you get another. You're not really going to use it. Speed potion, swiftness. Jetpack's pretty fast, so I'm not really going to worry about that. Flippers, jump, lily pad. I'm not really worried about none of that. So let's see what we have in the old enchantment table over here. It'll be recipes that you can do. Fire protection. That might be one right there. It would be handy for another. So blaze and lap. Yeah, there we go. We got lap. And then let's see. We need to make a book of quill. That guy right there. We need to make. So, man, we got 5 of them and. Let's make 5 of them for now. Let's see if we can put some fire protection on this. So put the book in. That's not right. Wrong one. Book in, put that in, and put this in. We'll give it nothing. Alright, let's see that recipe again. Hey, what is this one? It takes 12. Costs 28. I'm just gonna see where we're at with this. Wow, that's noisy as hell. That worked pretty good. There we go. So let's just see what we got. So you can take that and then we'll try the jetpack, see if it'll work. Let's see how much it's going to be. So put the jetpack and the book in. It costs 4. So let that catch up. We've got plenty of entities in there, so I was going to run down there and see them respond, but So pause this for a minute, let them get a little bit of juice in there. Okay, so put the jetpack in and put in this guy. See, allows flight when acting. Must be one of those chest piece. Let's see. One, fire protection valve. So, know that can work. And I'm just going to change the rest of my armor with some fire protection or look down through there. But we pretty much got the basis of what needs done. I could add night vision or later on. So I don't think it's a splash. Potion night vision, which is redstone and potion of night vision. Night vision, what? Golden carrot. Oh, excuse me. And let's see. Awkward potion. So that shouldn't be too hard to make. I got two brew stands. Where I would put it, I don't know. So we need bottles of water. Alright. This is dry. We'll just go ahead and do it. Hell with it. So make a bottle. Make a couple of them. I think I'm going to have to fill them up with water. 3 of them. Woo. So I think 3 waters on the bottom. And alright, so let's go ahead and get some of that. Ooh, look at that, all them damn, that was a little jerky. All them ender pearls. It's cool. So we need 1 of these, 2 of these. What goes up there? That looks like a blaze. Looks like blaze. That's it. So blaze runs this thing. And I actually have 2 golden carrots. I think it was the next thing. Awkward potion, awkward potion. And then we need awkward potion, 1 gold carrot. I don't see where it's going to come out at. The other one shows right here. Night vision. 3 of them at the end. Cool. Alright. Let's see if we can come over here and get some more juice. I'm not sure how this is going to work. So I think we just take the helmet off. Or do we have to put in the book? Let's just see. Put that there and we'll put that there. That's it. So put the helmet on. And Then we need to go to options, controls, dark steel armor, and light vision. P. Make it 9. And there it is. Cool. Okay, so that was just the basics of the dark armor. There's plenty of things you can do if you want to add all that stuff to it. If I was playing, I wasn't playing Sky Factor or something like that. You need to go mine and stuff, night vision, and get in the water and mining some of it, like the pickaxe and stuff. Like I might make the bow, I don't know, but stuff like the pickaxe. It's got like a spoon, so you get use it for a shovel, or you got a travel where you can click it and it'll teleport you. And the axe, not really for sure. I guess go to the let us know you need power on all of them. It's not really saying. Increased skull and ender pearl drops. Enderman can't teleport once hit and damage. So that might be something to look at. So that's some of the armor. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching.